Okay, just going to show you what I've been up to this morning. It's coming into 9 o'clock UK time. This is the pound US dollar on a 5-minute chart. You can see here is massive. Here is a big resistance level. This little line here is my entry for a long in the pound US dollar. So I saw this come off. This is the S2 pivot here, just under the 1600. Big numbers are major pivots in any market, particularly forex. And so what they often do is the market makers often drag it underneath the big round number, because they know lots of people go in at 160, because there's such a big focus on the round numbers. So what they tend to do is they tend to just run it lower, shake out weak hands. So we even broke the S2 just by a little nick here. So I got in here after this looked like as if it was forming a base here. So I've taken a little bit of heat. My stop is just under here, and now I'm looking to see if we can at least get back into this area of resistance for a small move. Now, don't look for big moves on Fridays. And so I'm trying to get, that will give me about a 20-point move here if I can get up here. If it starts to thrust up here, I'll hold it and I'll manage to stop and wind the stop up. But on the face of it, I will just manage the trade at the moment. Look to see if we are going to just come off here. If I haven't got much of a buffer before the day, I'll just take it off. You can get a lot of whipsaw. I mean, on a very, very rare occasion, you can actually get a gap in the forex charts. So I'm going to stop the video here and then come back to you once this has got a bit more price action underneath it. Okay, so I've got a close into the hour at 160.10. So I would expect 160.20 at least to be tested. And so I've got a 14-point buffer at the moment, but just monitoring it, and we'll manage my stop. We are half an hour off the data, so let's see. So is it just a this is a nice rounded bottom. This is the 160 big number. And these 4-hour pivots are great. They really do help you define potentially where the buyers are coming in, where they might buy. And of course we were oversold and on the floor given the sort of recent price action anyway. So pause again and let's see. Okay, here we have the data coming out in a few seconds. I've got to stop to break even here. This blue line is my stop. At the moment this S1 is support, so I need this to, I'm risking giving back 15 points profit, which is 15 points at the high, for a potential, who knows, 20, 30, 40 point move. If we break this high, the data's out. We're holding 160. A little hesitant start at the moment. The FTSE's come up from quite a drop this morning. Let's see if they are going to want to hold it. It doesn't look positive at the moment. All they're doing is testing 160. What they might do is just come down, stop me out, and then run. Let's just hope they don't do that. Okay. So not much of a reaction at the moment. I have to say I am at risk of getting stopped here. If this was going to burst up, I would expect it to start to see some move here. It's a shame to give back 15 points of profit, but the risk reward ratio is extremely good if it does break that 160.10. Not much of a reaction. Let's just see if see where this 5-minute bar closes. Let's just pause this while this 5-minute bar closes. Okay, I'm stopped. So I risked 15 points for the profit and came away with nothing. So that's life. All right, yeah, I do that every day of the week just to see if I can capture a move. All right, better luck next time, and I'll sit tight, stay out of this market now, and see what happens.